And we're back with another special treat here. This one is the journey of laundry or laundromats, or the modernizing of getting our laundry properly washed and cleaned. Remember to help out by subscribing to the channel. It has, progressed from us using rivers, and certain places we still use rivers and stuff, but it has advanced to where some people have modernized laundry rooms to where we have chemicals that we use to do our laundry, different types of chemical readily available to help clean your clothes or your clothing. We have items like this that you can use to keep your whites whiter than whites. It stated that the journey from laborious hand washing in ancient times to automatic system in use today. So with these automated system, you have options like what the knob is looking at here, different water level for different sizes. I do know that minimum washing machines, I think the smallest load takes about 4 to 5 buckets of water, and that's just to do the wash cycle. Then you have different types of fabrics, so you have different options to get them cleaned and properly washed and make sure you look your best. So it states that early methods rely or involve beating the clothes against rocks, stomping on them in water, or using abrasive materials like sand. I never thought that you would be able to use sand to get your clothing clean, but it's an option. You have it where you can put your liquid detergent over in one little receptacle, or the other where you can put your dry, which is awesome, by the way. It has made an improvement and advancement to the umpteenth degree where you can even add softener as well. Here I do both, so there you have it. So with the discovery, so it sounds like they were using sand before. Probably I should have been smart enough and do research about when laundry soap was first invented or first in use. So with the discovery of soap, the invention of washing machine devices, moving away from hand wash boards and scrub boards, later washing machines gradually reduce the physical burden of doing laundry. Plus, what is still in use today is known as where people go and wash their stuff in rivers, creeks, and streams. That's still in use to this point. As I've stated before, we used to wash our clothes by repeatedly beating it against certain types of things. You could either smack it against the water or other fabrics, or against rocks. Stamping on them is another way of using it, or using abrasive materials. Laundry soap in the millennia, evolving from basic natural ingredients to complex synthetic detergents. Washing machine have evolved and advanced from laborious to sophisticated automated appliances. First washing machine patented appeared in 1856 with the introduction of electricity. The first electric washing machine, I think his name was Tor. I may have not put proper spacing between there. In 1908. Then the first automatic machine in 1937. You can even soak your delicates and your white in warm water, hot water with lime, vinegar, and baking soda, and it will keep it looking fashionably white. The thing is that maybe we can make a wooden mold due to the fact that this is a timber society, a timber nation that we rely on extracting timber. Maybe we can make a wooden mold and have an assembly, pre-assembly factory that assemblies and put together washing machines if we figure out how to create something like that that we can use to make a mold. Now it gives washing machine gives us time to go and do other stuff as well. So while this is being done here, I'll be doing something else. We do work for like shares and comments. Or we can open a recycling plant that recycles old metal and steel and use the material that we recycle to make the body. There's options. It's finished. There's drying machine, but you can also air dry them as well. In Latin America, there's a lot of air drying happening, especially here in the great nation of Belize. It's drying out in the sun. That says it all right there. Got to enjoy some tasty mangoes. Mango season is happening right now as well. Through innovation, things get better and easier. So that way we can utilize our time wisely and get more things done in a short space of time. Do enjoy yourself. Take care of each other. Thanks for watching. Keep on watching. Please feel free to share, forward it. Remember to subscribe to the channel. We do work for like, shares, and comments. Hope you guys say hi when you're traveling through Belize. Keep it cool.